Welcome my channel. The night care routine for radiant skin should be as follows. 1. Remove makeup and cleanse your skin makeup remover. Use a gentle makeup remover to take off your makeup. Cleanser. Then, wash your face with a cleanser suitable for your skin type. 2. Use a toner. Use a toner to balance your skin and remove any remaining makeup residue. Apply it gently with a cotton pad on your face and neck. 3. Hydrating mask a few times a week. Apply a fun and relaxing hydrating mask. This will give your skin extra moisture and help you unwind. 4. Serum and moisturizer. Serum. Apply a serum suitable for your skin needs, e.g., hyaluronic acid or vitamin C serum. Moisturizer. Then, use a night cream or a lightweight moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. 5. Eye cream. Apply an eye cream suitable for the delicate skin around your eyes. This helps reduce fine lines and dark circles. 6. Lip care. Use a moisturizing lip balm to keep your lips soft and hydrated. 7. Relaxing activity. Finally, reward yourself with a relaxing activity. Read a few pages of a book, meditate, or listen to your favorite music. By following this routine every night, you'll be taking good care of both your skin and your mind. Remember, this process is not just about skincare, but also a fun way to spend some time on yourself.